Hello and welcome to the CATIA V5 Prismatic Machining course from EDST e-learning. CATIA is the world's leading solution for product design and experience and is used in different industries like aerospace, automobile, defense, etc. CATIA V5 Prismatic Machining course will be beneficial for users who have some exposure to CATIA V5. By the end of this course, you will have a deeper understanding of machining process in CATIA V5 by learning the advanced tools in CATIA V5 Prismatic Machining Workbench and will be eligible for the opportunities available in the industry. I hope you have completed the CATIA V5 Part Design 1, CATIA V5 Part Design 2 and CATIA V5 Assembly Design courses. The recommended version for practicing the exercises is CATIA V5 R20 and higher versions. Each chapter covers step-by-step process of machining operations. It is recommended to learn each chapter sequentially as each chapter will add a new skill and familiarizes you with the prismatic machining interface. In this course, you will learn about prismatic machining and part operations involved in it. You will learn to create facing and pocketing operations. The usage of pattern selection and creation of drilling operation will be discussed. The course will cover how to perform the replay tool path pocketing simulations. In addition, we will discuss about profile contouring operation. Associated with each chapter, there will be exercises, and in this course, there are exercises for you to practice which are available in the downloadable exercises. You can download these exercises and practice repeatedly so that you will be able to get hands-on experience in CATIA V5 Prismatic Machining and reinforce what you have learned in this course. CATIA V5 Prismatic Machining course will help you to have a deeper understanding of machining process and prismatic machining workbench. You will be able to perform machining operations. You will learn to create part, pocketing, facing, and profile contouring operation. EDST e-learning is an online learning platform developed by EDS Technologies, leveraging 25 years of experience as the leading engineering and PLM solutions company. Once you complete the course, you can avail the course completion certificate. Enroll for the course and enjoy the learning experience.